Hi friends, this is Ramya from Wild Turmeric. In this video, I wanted to share a wonderful and unique color-changing serum that looks absolutely beautiful and has amazing anti-aging properties. The first time I made this serum, I was blown away by the color change. The base for the serum is blue butterfly pea flowers, also popularly called Sangu pushpam in Tamil and Aparajita in Hindi. The botanical name is Clitoria ternatia. We use the flowers extensively in prayers, and in many parts of the world, the tea made by steeping the flowers in boiling water is very popular. The tea has a vivid blue color and it is full of antioxidants. When we add little bit of lemon juice to the tea, it changes to pink color, so it is also called as color changing tea. I am used to making the tea and I am also aware of the color change. But when I was making the serum, it changed from vivid blue to beautiful purple, which really surprised me. The reason I wanted to make the serum with the flowers is due to its amazing antioxidant and anti-aging properties. If you don't have access to the fresh flowers, you can order the dried flowers easily online too. I'll leave the online link for buying the flowers in the description box below. Regularly using the serum will help reduce wrinkles and fine lines very fast. This serum is also very soothing when applied. To make the blue tea, first take 5 fresh or dried flowers in a bowl. Now add in 2 tablespoons of boiling hot water to it. Now close with the lid and wait till the color of the water changes to blue color, which will take just a few minutes, and then strain. Cut a fresh aloe vera leaf and wash well to get rid of the slimy green juice, and cut the thorns on both sides of the leaf. Now cut the leaf in half and scoop out the gel alone onto a cup. Take 1.5 tablespoons of blue tea in a bowl. Add in 2 tablespoons of the freshly extracted aloe vera gel to it. Finally, squeeze in the contents of 1 vitamin E capsule. Now mix well with a spoon to get a smooth serum. As we keep mixing, the serum will turn from vivid blue to beautiful purple. The consistency of the serum will depend on the amount of aloe vera gel added to the recipe. If you want a thicker serum, add more of the aloe vera gel. Once mixed well, store the serum in a bottle immediately in the fridge. If stored immediately in the fridge, it will last well for 5 days. Though it has a very less shelf life, considering how effective it is for reducing fine lines and wrinkles, I think it is so worth the effort. I have used fresh aloe vera gel for this recipe because fresh extracts are always best compared to store-bought gels. But if you don't have access to fresh gel, you can use store-bought aloe vera gel that is free of color and perfume. To use, if the serum is runny, take little bit of the serum using a piece of cotton and apply all over the face and neck. You can use the serum any time of the day. If you have added more of the aloe vera gel and the serum is thick, you can take a little bit in your hands and apply all over the face and neck. Regular use of the serum will greatly prevent premature aging of the skin. I hope you found this video useful. If you like to support me in this channel, please share this video with your friends. It'll mean a lot to me. If you like to get detailed information on herbs on days I don't post videos, press the notification button. Thank you for watching this video.